Houston Station on Space to Ground.
One final launch to the station for 2016. Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Dan Hewitt. The last cargo delivery of the year is on its way to the International Space Station. The Japanese HTV-6 lifted off from the Tanegashima Space Center in Japan on Friday morning. Packed with more than 4.5 tons of hardware and supplies, the spacecraft is now on a 4-day chase to catch up to the station. One payload of note includes 6 new lithium-ion batteries, which will be installed during a pair of spacewalks in January. HTV is slated to arrive on December 13th, when Shane Kimbrough and Thomas Pesquet will use the station's robotic arm to capture the vehicle, which will then be attached to the station by commands sent to the robotic arm by ground controllers. While HTV will deliver some fresh food to the crew, they've been hard at work growing some of their own in space. Commander Shane Kimbrough harvested the latest batch of red romaine lettuce from the veggie experiment, which has been growing since the end of October. The crew is using a cut-and-come-again technique that takes a selection of lettuce leaves while leaving others and the core of the plant intact, resulting in additional harvests approximately every 10 days. This is all part of Veggie's ongoing mission to improve plant growth techniques in space so we can supplement astronaut diets with fresh, nutritious food. This week, Twitter user @SpaceIsGreat wants to know how thick the windows on station are and what the astronauts do if they notice a crack. Well, to start, each window is actually several windows in one. Each window on station has 4 panes of glass, ranging from about 1/3 to 1¼ inches thick, with the inner 2 panes holding pressure. They come with protective shutters that can close when the window is not in use to protect them from any space debris. Astronauts perform regular surveys of the windows, which is how they've noticed a few impact marks. There aren't any repair kits, so if those inner 2 panes were to become damaged, the crew would likely isolate the module the window is in. Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.